won't let me get rid of it.
Oh,
Don't do that.
it's crunchy when I like start chewing it. Stop my gums.
Mm-hmm.
Someone watching it. Are you? Are you the one watching me?
No.
No. Hi. And he's gone.
Because you're boring.
Mm.
You're not doing anything but chewing.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
I'm ready to go to bed.
Don't be on it.
This camera's good. Chip flavor.
Skip.
Hi, question. This is for the females, guys, I don't really care what you think, but this is to all my female followers, okay? Okay, so what is it like to have, like, boobs? Like, you like, is it, I don't want to hurt your back, but, like, what is it like? Like, what are the benefits? Like, I know you can feed your... About 1 in
Boring.
53 people have COVID.
You're making artsy stuff.
Three things to stop